In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add free and best VPN for Google Chrome, lifetime free VPN. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can navigate smoothly through the next part of the process. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official place where you can find browser extensions, themes, and other add-ons for Google Chrome. Using the Chrome Web Store is important because it helps you install extensions from a trusted source. After the Chrome Web Store opens, find the Extensions section and search for VPN. You will see different VPN extensions available. Take a moment to look through the results and select the VPN that you want to use. It is a good idea to choose one that has strong user ratings, clear information, and a design that looks easy to use. When you have chosen your preferred VPN, click Add to Chrome. Chrome may show a confirmation window before the extension is installed. If that appears, review the basic permissions and continue with the installation. After that, Chrome will automatically add the VPN extension to your browser. Once the extension is installed, you will usually see its icon near the top right area of Chrome, close to the address bar. That means the VPN is now available in your browser and ready for use. If you do not see the icon right away, check the Extensions area in Chrome and pin it so it stays visible. That covers everything you need to know.